Now in confusing slime blocks part 1, I showed you how to make this plane. In confusing slime blocks part 2, I showed you how to make this plane. But the plane I am going to show you right now, I think I may have taken it too far. Whatever you're going to see is truly made by me. Okay? No one helped me out. Nothing. I assure you that I made this. This was our goal in confusing slime blocks. I have done it. Look at it. It's so good. And look at the cockpit. The cockpit is the best part because it took so long to design. Or else, yeah. This is nice. And guess what? It works. Look. Okay. It gets very glitchy because, yeah, Minecraft. And you have to play. And if you want to stop it, you have to break the redstone block. And look, there's free space inside. Okay, look. Everything is spaced inside. Hundreds of people can sit. And there's even a cockpit. The cockpit is also hollow. And you can actually see everything out of it. I saw some plain designs and I saw the cockpits were awful. So I designed one on my own. And I think it really looks good. Happy with what I've done. Show you all the steps of how to make it. First is the wings. All you have to do is this. And if you want to take one block back, then there. This is how I did my wings. And then I did, yeah, so on and so on. So that's how you can make your wings and back wings. So yeah. Now for the rings. Stupidly simple. Actually for the bottom and the top. First I'll show you that. Also stupidly simple. That's it. For the top and the bottom. For the rings, all you have to do is this. And that's also it. Put them all together and you get this marvelous thing. Just, people may be wondering, how did I make that cockpit? Yeah, it's a little hard, but I made it in my test world to show you how it's done if you don't have any design. Okay, so we're going in. Okay. Now, so where was that thing? Aha! Here. Just a second, technical difficulty. Sorry, that was a little technical difficulty. But this is it. It's so simple. I'll show you how to make it right now. If you don't know how to make it, then... And if you don't have any other design for a cockpit, then I'll show you right away. Because it's so simple. I can do this with my eyes closed, man. Seriously. It's too simple. Okay, is anything else needed? Yeah, no more. Okay. First, you have to make the sauce, which will be right at the back. I'm not gonna make the full body, so I'm making the sauce right over here, which is where you put the redstone block. This is how it should look. Okay, right now this is how it should look. Put an observer. An observer. And then put your piston down. Okay. You should leave a gap here. You have to leave a gap there. Sorry, not there. If you're putting your piston here, then leave a gap here. That's simple. Whereas the great Waluigi, Papyrus, actually, and Destroyer, do it here. So let's see if it works. That's one thing you're going to keep a note of. You should do that. Like that. Remember again, here. Put another slime block. Then, take out the blocks like this. And this one, 2 more. Should still work. And then, put a piston here, and a piston here. Should still work. See? And then do all the rings. Okay? Now I'm just making one like this. And I need to go there to see. Okay, yeah. Now you have to do this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I need a 9. So you have to do that. Like that. So that it looks like this. It should look like this. Put blocks like this. And 3 glass just like that. Then put more 3. Actually no, not now. Now for the under part, I think it's a little complicated. I do not know. No, it's not that complicated. Yeah, you have to do that. And then this. Okay, follow me carefully. Sorry. Wait, I think I've done a tiny problem. Okay, I think I remember. Yeah, like that. And then put glass here. And you're done with the cockpit. And it should look like this. It's pretty nice. See if there's anything wrong. I think I've done something wrong. Nope. Totally correct. See? It works. And it's awesome. Thanks guys for watching Confusing Slime Blocks Part 3. I'm Obsidian Eisen and goodbye.